Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And so if you are thinking about moving to Texas or to Dallas-Fort Worth, this channel is for you. So the kind of videos that I like to make are videos on moving to Texas, areas of Dallas-Fort Worth. I'll do new home tours and even new home buyer tips, because back in the crash in 2007, I started selling new homes. And so I did learn the process, and I was in new homes for a couple of years. And then in 2009, I got my real estate license and started selling homes. Anyway, so if you have any questions, you can email me in the link below. I'm so happy to answer your questions about moving here. And I also have a $1,500 buyer rebate program that if you click on the link below again and register, and if you choose me as your real estate agent, then I will give you back $1,500. That can go toward closing costs. That could be a check after closing. Anyway, that's my thank you to my YouTube followers for working with me. A little bit about me is I've been married for 21 years to my most amazing husband, and we met singing in a singing competition. And so I'm also a worship leader at our church, and he pastors a church, our church. And we have 3 kids. We do homeschool them, and they're wonderful. They're teenagers, and I must say that teenagers are wonderful. And then we have a golden doodle dog, and really that's about it. I sell real estate, I make videos, and I think that's it. That's all our life revolves around. So guys, reach out if you have any questions. I'm so happy to help. I hope you have a great day, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.